We are at IHS Day 4 and I'm from the tnjtv.com. I'm here at Delmar and speaking to Mr. Jagdish, is Director. Very good evening to you, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Same to you.
Tell us something about the product and the services that you are promoting at IHS 2015.
Well, we are promoting the machines which will take care of the castings, the manufacturing of the jewelry. The first process is to cast the product. Once it is casted, then it goes for a second cycle. So we are displaying the entire process of equipments which will take care of making silver and gold jewelry and other ore articles, maybe small idols or artificial articulates, or for that matter handicraft which is coated with silver or gold.
How important is technology innovation for the gem and jewelry industry, and how does it impact the manufacturers?
Well, this is a very interesting question because we are people who are associated deep root into the technology. Without technology, it's difficult to think of a jewelry which, ma'am, you are wearing or which I am wearing. You know, the days are gone when goldsmith used to sit and make things for us. But now, as the times are changing, as it's a globalization happening across the world, everything is global. So today, if you buy a ring in India or tomorrow you buy a ring in Belgium or Singapore or Switzerland, it has to be the same. So we have the caliber of doing it in India. India is a phenomenal market. It's a good saying that we don't buy gold, we eat gold, because we are the second largest buyer of gold in the world. And that is where you see very recently the prices have also gone down. So it's the right time to get into this trade.
Please tell us something about the market in India. How prepared is Indian industry to use the latest technology and machine tools?
As per my experience of 19 years, there's a big scope of that. You know, at this moment, if we say of precision technology, I think we are about 40% people who have already got the machines there, but 60% market is still untapped, which makes us encourage to bring in more technology across the globe to India, because that 60% pie, it's a big pie, or maybe in other words you put it, 60% of India is 100% of global.
Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best for IHS and for future.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.